Hello, a very warm welcome to all of you from Conscious Sleep. I'm Sanjay and I'm so thrilled that all of you are about to begin the journey of manifesting your career dreams with Conscious Sleep. If I were to give you a little heads up as to what is in store for you, I can tell you that you are in for a one of a kind learning experience that will help you chart out how will you succeed in your career, and that too with the understanding of what the whole journey entails. This is actually now taking me to my days. There was one fine day when I was forced to make a decision whether I should take commerce or science. And I felt as if, my personality was getting split. Like you take one and then, you can't do anything about your other abilities. And I think it's quite a dilemma for that age. And it almost seems as if, life will be split halfways. But let me tell you something. Life has its own designs. It doesn't really work like that. Let's go back to what happened to me in real life. I ended up choosing commerce, and then because everybody did chartered accountant, I actually ended up doing my CA. I was not too happy. I was like, am I going to do this for my whole life? And then I decided to go for my MBA at IIM Bangalore. And there I found 90% of my class were actually engineers. And so I realized that most people actually face this whole thing as to what is the right career for me. And you want to actually sample and choose. Getting back to my story, from IIM I got placed into Citibank, a multinational bank about which I knew nothing about. But I ended up spending 15 years with them as a very successful career. After that, I wanted to take more risks in life and I went on my entrepreneurial route where I went and set up a technology company which we made public. I set up an analytics company and now I'm here in front of you as the founder CEO of Conscious Sleep, which is an e-learning life skills platform. During that journey, I also ended up writing a fiction book, Jasmine Builds on Shifting Sands. So, if I go to my experience, life is not that linear. And it is very much possible, as we go through life, we grow and we want to change things and we end up with a pretty non-linear career. The point that I'm bringing out is that we tend to carry the burden of choosing the right career at a very tender age, as all of you are. But life changes, and a successful career is not necessarily linear. As we go about life, we tend to face its realities and we tend to grow and we want to change. And especially in current times, which are more volatile and they are times of technology and AI, it is expected that jobs and careers will change even more often. So then, how do we choose our careers? How do we make sure that we succeed? Throughout my non-linear journey, what I learned was that as long as you do whatever you do, but you do it very well, we can succeed. So it's life skills to succeed, or success skills as we call them, have become very important in modern times. If you have the passion to do well and succeed, the world can be your oyster. And this is true for anyone, whether the journey is non-linear or whether it's a straight through single pursuit. The key is passion and the ability to handle failures and challenges, which really ends up determining your success. Now, this is what we are going to bring to you. How can you become competent with success skills? How can you take complete charge of your life and imbibe success skills so that they are available to you, whatever your circumstances and whatever path you take? My best wishes. Thank you so much. for the opportunity to share our guidance. Come, let's take the conscious leap to find out how you can make you happy. Thank you.